Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself and your organization.
For over 25 years, ICON has been a globally trusted partner for simulation-driven product engineering to world-leading manufacturers or OEMs, emerging disruptors and their suppliers. ICON are leaders in providing unlimited digital engineering software products for industry in the field of computational fluid dynamics, or CFD for short, and we do that around the world in America, Europe and Asia. ICON's on-premise and cloud-based product, called ICON CFD, and expert engineering services deliver significant operational, commercial and competitive benefits for clients. They have to be fast, accurate, flexible and scalable, and all delivered at substantially less cost than the products from the small number of engineering software conglomerates that exist. Engineering simulations are performed in multiple industry sectors, including automotive, aerospace, buildings, health, energy, motorsport, consumer products, space, etc. The engineering applications can include the simulation of aerodynamics around vehicles, the re-entry of space capsules, reactive flows in power stations, indoor or outdoor climate studies, the heating of mechanical and electrical components, and many others. Within an industry sector, there are multiple applications that engineers work on, as shown here for the automotive example. Today, ICON clients have the ability to simulate thousands of variations to find the optimal design of their products. This is just one example of the shape and position variations that may be investigated for an automotive vehicle.
Please present your use case and how it works right now.
With ICON's cloud-based engineering platform called ICON CFD Platform, ICON wanted to offer users access to state-of-the-art simulation technologies and make the setup, running and evaluation of the results of a simulation as simple as possible, using a local browser that can access remote high-performance computing environments. ICON has already received positive recognition for its work in the field to date. One example includes the commendation by EU Commissioner Oettinger at Europe's largest trade fair, the Hanover Messe, or Hanover Trade Show.
And how the use case will benefit from the Morphemic project.
Hello Josefina, I'm Sebastian and I'm working for ICON as ICON CFD Platform Product Leader. Within the last 10 years, there has been a transition to the use of more widely available public cloud environments on demand. When delivering a software as a service, solutions such as ICON CFD Platform, you can't be tied in to specific hardware solution because of the high variability of the simulation requirements. For example, you might have to run digital engineering experiments, a DOE, with 1000 of short simulation, which only take a few computer cores, and then a smaller number of simulation taking 2 days on 1000 of computer cores. Morphemic helps in meeting this challenge of dynamically diverse demand. Morphemic helps ICON CFD Platform to obtain the resources proactively to minimize cost and optimize the cost to simulation time ratio based on end-user constraints, depending on individual service level agreement, SLAs for short, and the number and type of simulations requested. The computing resources are optimized on the fly, dynamically based on the current load and projected simulation loads. The outcomes of the Morphemic project are key to ensuring that, unlike in the past, where the product engineer had to wait for computing resources, they can now define a time to obtain a solution in advance. This is important for product development, in that an engineer or designer can accurately plan and develop. In our engineering simulation use case, the Morphemic server also provides the opportunity to deploy ICON's applications with minimal effort. The novel multi-cloud approach is applied, and as a result, the engineering software is no longer limited to running on only one cloud infrastructure provider. For example, one day we could use a cloud from Amazon and another day a cloud from Microsoft. In this way, we can draw upon the huge resources from multiple cloud HPC domains. The exploitation of multiple clouds at once enables product developers to avoid waiting for computing resources and engineer their product designs. In addition to the benefits, the Morphemic framework also offers the flexibility to create packages of ICON software, which clients can run on their own private cloud environments to reduce confidentiality concerns that can occur around data transfers and storage.
Over 90% of ICON software products and related services are already based around open technologies. The open source multi-cloud Morphemic platform helps reduce costs and do better product engineering in a faster time. As a result of all the Morphemic project benefits, ICON intend to take advantage and onboard even more users to our browser-based engineering platform, ICON Safety Platform. The next steps for wider use and adoption are to continuously improve the end-user experience through more efficient solvers and more apps. So to summarize the project, Morphemic will influence product engineering and development by enabling better dynamic exploitation of multiple cloud environments in public and private modes, faster product engineering in quantifiable timeframes, cheaper digital engineering by optimal utilization of the most cost-effective cloud infrastructures, and finally easier deployment of multiple clouds in both public and private environments. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much.